Just tell me when you will take the plane tomorrow.
Oh, pourquoi il y a français là? Guys, where is the French in the chat?
Pourquoi j'ai pas le droit?
Bubba is a French. The server is in USA, guy. We're playing with Europe.
Oh, bah oui, écoute.
What the fuck? It's mixed server, guys. Okay, guys, let's fight the French Bubba. French Bubba. Guys, I'm gonna open all the basement gate. I got a toolbox. The first gate in the red room, guys. I'm gonna open it. Okay, the first gate is open in the red room. What the fuck? He's already awake, man. French Booba is gonna win. I opened 2 gates, guys. I'm going for the fried gate. Okay, I open a fried gate, guys. Fuck, killer with me. Careful, CC is with me.
Just think, there's got to be a way out.
Johnny has killed someone. Anna, protect me, Anna, Anna, go behind me. You're stronger than Coney. Fuck you, CC. Booba is on me, guys. What the fuck are they doing in the basement? Those fucking bitch. Fucking suicidal fucking shit, man. I'm going in the house. Guys, I'm gonna be dead soon. Guys, it was an honor. CC's gonna kill me, guys. I don't know what are you doing, but I don't know what the fuck they were in the basement, guys. Bro, they killed someone, bro.
Please don't let that thing come.
I tried to open the gate to the garden.
It's open.
Kalimun! Where did you escape? Tell us. You escape and you let us die. En plus, vous avez des micros. You got mic and you don't talk. Thank you. Come on. Come and get me, killer. Come on, Booba. Come on. Allez, come on. Kill me, man. Allez, French Booba. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, buddy. You can do this, man. Let's go, French Booba. Non. French Booba, tu m'as pas eu. No way, French Booba. Amazing.
Thank you.
Guys, they left me, so I just give up.
I can see that.
Bro, they left. They have a mic.
No, but I'm totally agree with you. I try to communicate with teammates. They don't speak. They don't. I know.
Yes.
Okay, good luck for the next.
Thanks, French Booba. See ya.
Don't worry.